Hello, Nicole. This is Jeff with Metro Detroit SEO, and this is for the review of Susan Thomas Dentistry Family Cosmetic Dentistry, your webpage. First, I'd like to say it looks pretty nice. Got some decent stuff here going on. Couple things to go over here. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the background of everything. Like the front page looks decent. I will recommend though that we put more content, more words on here, and then also strategically placing your keywords and your links and everything as well, because that's definitely going to help you with that. So first thing that's going to really help you is some more content. First page should at least have 1,000 to 1,500. And then also with strategically placed keywords, especially linking yours to other places as well. So let's do a little overview here. This is Majestic, and what Majestic is, it looks into the background of everything. And one of the more important things here, which gets you ranked, is trust flow and citation flow. Trust flow is links and certain things going back and forth from your site to others, which unfortunately you don't have any here. Even in the root domain. Okay, you got 5 citation flow there. That's citation flow is basically your name and address and certain things, stuff in other areas. Subdomain has a couple. You can look at the URL path. It's got more there, the pathway, and the URL itself. We're going 0, 0 there. Backlinks, you got 1 on this. So we can look at that. And there it is. And it's a no-follow one. And what you want to do is get a follow. And you definitely need more than 1. We need quite a few in there. At least, if you can get in the 20s, mid-20s is really great. Your anchor text, what's putting you into other things, and you only have 1 right here. You're going to need some more anchor text, some common ones with the www.com, and also some ones with specific sayings. I did bring up your competition when I looked up. Let's see, I looked at dentists in Livonia. I also looked up another one, Livonia Dentist, right here. And these guys are the first ones that come up organically, not ads or anything. They're the first ones. And I pulled their site and I ran their site as well. Let me go back here. And this is part of the reason why. Their trust flow is 32 and their citation flow is 32, which is also, being that the numbers are matching as close as possible, is a very good thing. That's what helps get you ranked. That's why they're on the first page. And these are all things that you're able to do as well. It just takes a little more effort and a little bit of time on them. Your anchor text, let's see. They got quite a few anchor texts. You see certain things, certain sayings, linking them in other places. This is another spot right here. This is where you rank entirely on Google. You're 102 million right there. And then your organic keywords, let's check that out for you. We're having a little error here with this page. Sorry about that. Let's look at the competition. They're 3 million. This is like the entire Google ranking right there. What's going on with that? So, just a couple things to look at there. Some information hopefully you can use with that. If you'd like, you can give us a call at 313-329-7990, or you can also call 313-673-1705 on that, and you can get back with us. Again, like competition here, they can use a little more content on their first page as well, but what they have in the background with their stuff, with these, get back to that there. Sorry about that, it's taking a second. What they have in the background with their citation and trust flow is what's really doing them some good numbers. I apologize, my internet's working a little slow. But, well, you see what I was talking about earlier. Again, again, hopefully that all works out for you, and you can give us a call, and hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day. You got back that and fixed that right there. Um, this is one of the reasons why they're getting ranked up there is the 3232, and it's also matching on the root domain. Just the domain itself is still 20. That they're getting even numbers. That's close. You want them as close as possible, and that's where it really does help make a difference in that. Plus, the volume of what they have is tremendous. But again, nothing we can't do for you or you can't have you guys do. So again, look forward to speaking with you. Take care. Have a great day.